Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you one amazing tool that can help you to detect the AI code in your program. This tool is really useful for the freelancers, small startups and the companies. So I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. So first of all, we need to open the website called code.aidetector.pro. So this is the website. We need to click on the registration and fill all the information. So after registration, let's go to the login option. So I already have an account. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. In the right side, you will see here the new AI scan. So click on this plus icon and you need to paste your code. So let's try to write some code from the ChatGPT. And I'm gonna just say here, write a simple Java program for a library management. Let's wait some second and this is done. Now I'm gonna just copy that code and let's go to the AI detector and paste that code here. Okay, like this. Now I have that code. I need to select the language. I'm using here Java, so that's why I have selected Java. You can test the C#, JavaScript, PHP and Python also. So select the Java and click on Analyze. And we just need to wait some seconds. And as you can see here, this code probability of AI is 98%. Yes, it's true, right? Now I'm gonna just open that code, click on this code. You can see the report, actual report here. And you can see 98%. And you will see all the things. You can see there's a clear sign of being written by AI. You can see everything that line. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write the code from scratch. So I have one code. Okay, let me check that Java code. Okay, so now let's go to the home again and click on new AI scan. And I have that one code, right? So this code is also a library management code, but this is written by a human. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy that code and go here and paste that code here. Okay, now let's click on the Java, select the Java and click on analyze and wait some seconds. And as you can see here, this code is really amazing. As you can see here, code is written by human. As you can see, this is the perfect code, right? So now you can easily check which code is AI generated or which code is human generated. You can easily check the report here. If sometime we find the 20 or 30% AI generated code, so we can change it manually or we can recheck it. So this is the really very amazing tool. This tool is really helpful for the developers or the testing team. Now let's go to the dashboard. Now I'm using here the small business plan. So let me show you the plans here. This tool have a plan. So you can use this tool free of cost. They have a 2 AI scan per month. So you can use it. Okay. And if you want to test more code, so you can buy their plans. You can purchase their plan monthly or yearly. So overall, this tool is really amazing. If you have any doubt related to this tool, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.